A year ago, Ampeg launched the Venture M series with some awesome modern features, and along with those came some lightweight cabinets. Now they've released a new one, the biggest of the bunch, the Venture VB88 with 8 8-inch speakers. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, welcome to Bass the World. My name is Gregor Fries and today I'm accompanied by my buddy René Flexenhaar playing my 78 Stingray and the Visual Deal P-Bass by Visual Deal. We've already tested one of those heads when they came out last year. I will link this video at the end of this video. Today is all about the VB88 cabinet. It's sort of a fridge for when you like big cabs but don't want to haul around an actual 8x10, which are known to be very heavy. 8x10s are amazing and I pray to the old gods and the new every day that they will never die out. Sorry for that, I'm rewatching Game of Thrones at the moment, as you can tell. 8x10s are the symbol for rock. They sound amazing, they look as cool as it gets, but you're better good friends with your bandmate if you're planning to take them out on the road. This studio is located on the 3rd floor of this building and I carried this one up the stairs all by myself in its even bigger packaging. Of course, I'm incredibly strong and smart and handsome, but I'm sure you could do it too. This baby only weighs 67 pounds, that's 30 kilos. Inside this cabinet we find 8 8-inch neodymium speakers, a massive bass vent in the middle plus a high frequency driver that can be adjusted on the back. The VB88 can take up to 800 watts RMS, 1600 watts peak at an impedance of 4 ohms. With these numbers it's powerful enough to comfortably use any amp on the market. In typical Ampeg fridge fashion you have 2 handles on the side plus a big metal bar to move the cab around with its kickback dolly style casters. You can take the front cloth off for recording and there's an optional padded cover available if you don't want to scratch it up in transport. The frequency range is 28 Hz to 17.4 kHz. And that's all that can be said about the in and the exterior, so let's talk about the sound. Ampeg 8x8s have been around for a long time. They've always been the smaller alternative to 8x10s with a more punchy sound. Those who have never used smaller speakers might be wondering if this can give you enough sub-bass. To make it short, no, just kidding, yes, absolutely. Bass frequencies can not only be transported by big speakers. If you have enough of them, even smaller speakers like these 8-inch drivers can bass just as well. The only difference is the attack time. These are faster, more direct, and with that a little bit more true to what you're sending in. Of course only compared to an 8x10. There are much more linear sounding cabs out there, but if you're after a fridge like this is usually not the concern. By the way, you might have noticed the Ampeg head inner sound clips is not connected. For some reason that I don't understand, Ampeg decided to equip this particular model with speaker outs that don't fit the usual 4 connector speaker plugs we all use and have. So I had to use my Gensler Kinetics amp. What you hear in this video is half the I out, half this cabinet recorded with a Rode NT-K mic. Oh, by the way, I got a new bass, a Halo by Adamovich. Such a beauty. Let's try it with the Ampeg cabinet. The Venture VB88 by Ampeg. This was fun, I like this cabinet. Fridges sound awesome and this one does too. And with that weight, clearly a winner. If you want to put this winner in your hobby room or take it out on the road, check the links in our video description below. We're working with a bunch of dealers and if you order this or anything else through these links, they will pay us a little kickback, which is the easiest way to support our channel. Here's the video of the V12 amp, here's a fabulous merch shop, and here's me saying by Base the World.